On Sunday, I posted my weekly analysis for NFP, the NFP week. So only one of the trades that I anticipated happened, which is Euro USD. Okay, let me see. Let me get into the hourly time frame. Then you can see on Sunday. Let me see here. Isn't there highlights a tool somewhere here? Yeah, let me just use the brush. On Sunday, we already had a retest. We had a retest, and then we're looking for a trade towards the downside. Yeah, broke Euro USD, broke this zone, this green zone right here. It broke it, so all we wanted was a retest, which was already there. As you can see here, there's a retest towards the downside, looking to go towards the downside. I said we were gonna have some issues here, but nope, that did not happen. Just shot down straight to the take profit. I didn't manage to catch this trade because I was busy with something, but as you can see, had our break, retest into the zone, and boom, all the way down could have gotten a nice 1:2 trade. Then yeah, that's all that happened here on Euro USD. It even reversed. Then here's another trade that I would have taken, but I decided to stop trading throughout the week. So this is what happened here. I was looking for a break towards the downside, then boom, go all the way down. But I didn't take this trade, but it played out just as I thought it would. We could have gotten a 1:2 or risk to reward if I traded it properly. Yeah, this is what we could have gotten this week. So that's all on Euro USD. On Sunday, I'll be posting another video on my weekly analysis for the next week. So let's move on to another pair. Here's another pair that I analyzed for you on Sunday when I was doing my weekly analysis. So for this week, I was basically looking for a break and retest towards the downside on AUD USD. The break and retest we're looking for was at this zone right here, but we broke out, but we didn't get a retest. Even if you go on the 15-minute time frame or any other time frames, you don't get a retest. Let me even zoom into it. We just broke the zone, didn't get a retest. We just broke into the zone, broke and headed down immediately. What I was looking for was just a break, then retest, and all the way down, just like on Euro USD. But I did not get that. I did not get that retest, so I ended up not taking this trade. But since I noticed something, I noticed that we have a gap all the way here. So I realized, I was like, okay, since we have this gap, we need to fill up this gap. I ended up taking a counter trend trade because it seems like we were bearish ever since. Seems just been going lower and lower and lower. So what I thought was, okay, it's a counter trend trade, but I see this gap. Why not enter and go and fill in this gap? So what I did was put some buy stops up until I put buy stops right here where I got my entry. Then what I was looking for was a 1:2 risk to reward, but when I always say 1:2, I'm not looking for 1:2. If it ends up being 1:3, 1:4, I'll take it. But if I wanna take a proper trade according to my rules, this is what I look for. So I ended up catching this trade at 1:2 towards the upside, then closed over here at this zone right here. So that's the only trade I took for this week, which left us in profit, and we ended up going even higher. Could have held it for longer, but that wasn't what I was looking for. So that's the recap on AUD USD. Here we have another pair that I looked at on Sunday, right before this week have started. Okay, let's get into it. This trade on USD JPY, I was looking for basically a break below this support zone towards the downside, break and retest towards the downside, or a break above and keep going up. But we did not end up getting those trades, so I did not take any trades here. The reason I did not take a buy trade from right here, let me just circle, let me look for a tool right here. Yeah, let me just add this here. Okay, I could have taken a buy here, but that's not what I was looking for. Plus, we're in a range. The market is just choppy in this area, so I did not want to risk money on trades that I don't like, trades that might get me stuck in drawdown. So I did not take any trades on this pair, but we could still look for these break retests towards the upside or break retest towards the downside. That's what we could be looking for. Maybe next week, that's what we could be looking for. Otherwise, those are the 3 trades that I was looking at this week. One played out exactly as I said it would. Then another, like the 2 other trades didn't. But